So you cook? You cook? So you can cook jollof rice like this? You sure? She wanna ala she cooking now. She wanna ala she cooking now.
Yeah, cooking jollof rice.
You sure?
Yeah.
So what's going on?
We having my father feed. Moiga Sherif, Alhaji Moiga Sherif. Today a feed. So we cooking jollof rice for a feed.
Wow.
So all the people are here, they cook for the paper feed.
So all the crowd are here, they are here for the feast, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful. So right now, everything is just going on and the feast is ongoing. So everybody here that you see, they all gather here, they all assemble here. Traditionally, when somebody pass, like the 40 days can pass and they will have like general feast, and in that, everybody will be like assembled together and they will be like cooking, you know, they will cook like varieties of food. Some will cook like the dibba, and we have some people like making onion also. And then they are like everywhere. People are like making the soup, the spices, right? The onion, and some are like washing dishes and making a lot of other stuff. But very soon, Brother Sherry will be like, I'll be like leaving, and this is where I came on the Christmas Eve, and we were like distributing like your candy, soft drink, biscuit, and some other items, right? And we even extended as far as the other village back there called Goyala. So let me just take you a little bit to where they are like traditionally, where they'll be like the Quranic recitation will be going on. People will be like having so many stuff, right? So you see here, and then you see the car here, like this. Just listening. This is just tradition. Where you see everybody here. So that's your husband?
Yes.
He is here also?
Okay.
Oh wow. So it's like, you know, whenever people come like this, and then everybody in the family would be like greeting the bereaved family, right? And based on the connection the disease have with the people in the community, in and out, and you see that everybody will be like extending thanks and appreciation for the short time he spent on earth and the relationship that he established with the community. Everybody will be like, wow, that's so amazing though. So I just want to so I just want to show you a little bit, right? I just want to show you a little bit.
Yes. I have to do proud of me to be okay with the session. Kakiri, I'm a middle caliber. Man, I will take with the similar rumors and walk it out. It's money. What idea? Come on, I must say a fool again. I'm breaking the room of Sabule. And I wait here when I can't afford to see it. I'm not to I mean, I can't know some come as a massacre. I can't look at the one.
So that's how the tradition is like, right? So I think we're going to understand a little bit, go accumulate, and the tradition is still ongoing, right? So I'm just like, we're going to walk you a little bit so that you can see how things is like here. What's up, bro? How do you do? Yeah, you want to stay my channel? Just subscribe to Brother Sharif on YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my channel, Brother Sharif. Subscribe to me. I've been here. This is my third time coming here.
Okay.
Yeah. Not bad. Not bad.
I'm happy to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah, these are my father feats that are going on right now. And for all to see this kind of thing going on, it very surprised me. But anyway, thank you for coming, Chief. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you, Chief.
It's nice meeting you. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
Wait, you live here too?
I'm living in
You live in Morovia?
Yeah.
It's a pleasure meeting you, brother.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
All right, then. So, folks, that's how it is like. And they're going to enjoy everything, right? You're going to enjoy every movement here right now. I'm here with Ellie, and that's right there, Ellie. Yeah, Ellie is like breaking, and she's now really understanding the language. Ellie, do you understand the language? You don't understand, so she's like distancing herself from there. She's not understanding nothing going on. That was that's all right, because everything is just blunt to you. So I just want to show you a little bit this place, right? And you see, this is Bullor. Yeah. Oh, how are you, brother?
You remember the fair?
No.
Are you the one who helped me last time? I for your mother for my soup business.
Oh, for your soup business?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You remember, no?
No, I
To the plain fee.
to plain fee. Okay.
And
Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you do?
I'm well.
Okay, to plain fee when you carry the wool, right?
Yeah, I carry a wool. Like
You.
Yeah. This is a mark. I was saying, you know, sir.
Wow.
Okay, like this is a mark.
Oh, that mark, you had a sew on you.
Yeah.
Yes. I can remember. I can remember now.
Yeah.
It was Brother Paul who sent a treatment fee,
Yeah.
and he had a sew on you.
Yeah.
When we had that project to Laura Zugo, you carried a wool.
Really?
But you changed.
Yeah. Well, things are going to change. Really.
Yeah, mommy.
Yeah.
What's up?
No matter.
No, you changed.
Yeah.
At least thank God for you.
Thank God. Last time I've been asking for you. Well, coming today, I'm going now. Only today.
You know today, right?
Yeah. Are you back at
You back at it right now?
Yeah, right now. You back.
You look different, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Thank you for your goodness.
Thank you too.
Thank you for your goodness.
Thank you
What you
too.
do for me.
Thank you.
Yeah, you were too sorry for that day, but anyway,
Thank you too that you actually remember me.
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Oh, folks, this is the guy
Yeah.
that we met, right? I met him that day when we had a twins project. So he took the wool, right, and he had sew on him, and the sew was so bad up. The sew was so bad up. And then his life that day and today it's different.
It's quite different.
Big differences there.
Yeah.
That day, the life that day and the life today is not the same.
Yeah. Through my brother too. Through my brother do that for me. Yeah. Thank you for your good job.
Thank you, brother.
It
It wasn't me. It was through you, through your support. What can I just express her fee? But I wish internet was here. I'm going to call the person that help you and then have you treated. And today, we are family. Oh, mommy, thank you. Nice meeting you, my brother. Yeah,
No problem.
my brother. Yeah,
No
you are my brother. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Keep
much.
it up. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the best thing we can do for ourselves, right?
Yeah.
Get back to the family.
Yeah.
Your mom born you. Your dad struggled for you, so that you can be able to take care of yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And the life you were in that day and the life today, at least thank God for you. Keep it up, yeah? Do the best for yourself. I'm happy for you. Thank you, yeah?
Thank you too.
All right then.
Thank you, brother.
All right, thank you. Yeah, folks, that's the guy. You know, I met this guy, I met him, and then he was like, wow. And everything, today meeting him in this condition is just amazing. It's really amazing seeing him like this. That day when I met him in Vonjama, you know, I was like, I bought a wool, the twins project, right? And that was the very first day when we were about to start the roofing of that area. That was the very first time. So I met him, I asked him to take the wool, but he had a big sew on him. And imagine, he took the wool. He was like carrying the wool and then leaping on his foot. He was like leaping on his foot, you know, my God. So somebody saw that, and the person was like, Brother Sharif, you know what? I want to be a blessing to that guy. I want to bless him. And this person was who? This person was just Brother Paul Murphy. Yes, Paul Murphy. Brother Sam Westford Murphy, brother. Okay, Brother Paul Murphy told me that, oh, Brother Sharif, that fellow that carry a wool, right? That that fellow that carried the wool. Can you just help me to locate him? I'm like, I don't have number for him, right? Yes, I don't have number for him, but we can try our best to reach out to him. And luckily, we were able to reach out to him, and everything went positive. Everything just went positive. I was able to reach out to him. I met him. So I took him to the drugstore, right? To this drugstore, and then they begin to dress his soul. They begin to dress his soul, and today I could no longer make him up. Oh my God, what's up, bro? What's up? You know me? You know me? From where? From Bakedu? Oh my God, what's up? You alright? Hey, come here. Yeah. So, and today he is okay, and everything just smooth on him. So, you know, this is just something that, seeing him in this condition, I could even see this guy in Vonjama. I could not make him up. Even here, I could not make him up. Was yesterday, I think it was through the same lens that he got to recognize me, because he just saw me with the camera, and then he was like, "Are you Brother Sherry?" I said, "Yeah, I'm Brother Sherry." He said, "Well, you remember me?" I said, "No, I don't know you." You see, he said, "I'm the one that actually you help, and then you save me, and then you treated me. I mean, I'm not the one that did that. It is you that did that. I'm not the one." So today I'm here in Bullor. This is Bullor, right? And this is where we came that day. If you remember, here we came. A lot of items were distributed right here, and the remaining one was taken to the next village right there in Goyala, where I just came from not too long. You see. So that was that, and I think my trip today to here to Bullor was so unique. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then don't forget also to visit MNT Video Supply right there in Franklin Park, Minnesota. Big shout out to Titi and Blaima. Big shout out to Titi and Blaima. Thank you so much. Brother, love you so much. Brother, love you. And then just stay tuned. You're going to enjoy more episodes from Brother Shelby right here.